Hello from India, from Bangalore. It's really great to be here. First day in India for me, and experience is really great. So the Jesus booth, we're standing here. You see wonderful products. Also, of course, our Sega products. You have a really friendly team here, really helpful for all the customers and visitors here. So it's really nice to meet you here. And I'm here together with Johannes Lars, also from Sega from Germany.
Yeah, we're really excited to be here in India for the first time as a German company to see so many of our customers, of our partners, see them in real time, and especially working with Jesus, who are distributing our products. It's a great cooperation so far, and we're really looking forward to continue to grow in the Indian market.
Yeah, India is a fast-growing market, and that's why the future is here in India, and we will expand our product portfolio here as well.
Hello Electronica, I'm Geeta, working as a Director RAM Tools at Jesus Microsystems. We are the authorized distributors of Sega software solutions and their products in India. Today I am here to give you a brief overview on the Sega products offering from Jesus. When every cycle counts, we need a tools which is fast, reliable and has a built-in embedded intelligence. Sega delivers it. Sega offers software and hardware solutions, and the software we have Sega Embedded Studio, which is actually fully developed IDE which is developed for efficiency. It is from the coding, compiling and the debugging. It has been engineered to get the most out of the every microcontroller. And we also have Sega middleware, which includes MWin, GUI, MBOSS, MUSB, MFile, MNet, etc. This will help the embedded systems to get a good performance or high performance, connectivity, good user experience which the engineer needs.
Hello everyone, I'm Sandhya, Technical Engineer at Jesus Microsystems. Here is a short demo of Sega Flasher Hub together with two Flasher Compacts. Today I will use them to program Sega Empower board. The Sega Flasher Hub will manage parallel programming of multiple targets. One Flasher Compact is connected to the Empower board, and the second compact is ready for the another target if needed. From the host PC, I will trigger the programming. The Flasher Compact starts programming the Empower board with the status LED showing activity. In just a few seconds, the board is fully programmed. This shows how Flasher Hub and Compacts make the programming easy, scalable from one target to many targets depending upon your production needs.
Jesus, catalyzing embedded innovation in India. For more information on our product solutions offerings for Sega, please send the mail to sega@jesusandtheskill.com.